Yeah, go ahead.
My knowledge is limited, but what I saw is that when we went to a firm, he said that our firm is a sister firm of Reliance, and we have this small firm set up because it helps us to avoid costs, so we pass on the benefits. So in terms of the size of the firm in the real estate sector, can you throw some comment?
My personal opinion, economies of scale really don't exist. Okay, so it becomes difficult to manage economies of scale in this business. And I think any other business, right? When my father was running it, he was the HR department, he was the accounts department, he was everything. When you grow suddenly, okay, so an accounts department crops up, construction department crops up, and a sales department crops up. Sales and construction are still front office. You grow a little bit more, then an IT department crops up, and then a legal department crops up, and then an HR department crops up, which start eating into your margins as you scale. But that said, there is some clear advantages of scale that is there. One is brand. It's easier to build a brand as you become larger because you have a different presence. It's becoming easier to become a smaller company and a brand because of the internet and the wired society that we live in. It's very easy for people to figure out about a company on the website. Not only the website, just to go through forums, right? There are forums for everything. Somebody wants to buy a particular property, builder's property, he can Google him, forums will crop up, he'll get live reviews of what customers feel. So that is happening. But that said, the larger you are, it's easier to build a brand. And for also to attract talent, it's not just about attracting customers, easier to attract talent, easier to attract landowners, so as you grow larger. So your marketing costs should come down. We have seen it come down significantly over the last 3 years, where as you scaled up, our volumes have gone up, but our absolute cost of sales, in terms of advertisement cost hasn't gone up as much.